Good morning, folks. This is Naim, Chief Market Analyst at AvaTrade, and welcome to our daily fundamental video analysis. Today is Friday, and happy Friday to you, folks. This also means that we have to have a look at the broader trend in the stock market, and by that I mean Dow Jones, the S&P 500 index, and the NASDAQ. Of course, the three major US indices over in the United States. So when I look at the US futures today, there is immense amount of pessimism among investors. The reason that I'm saying that is the Dow Jones futures, they are trading lower by well over 500 points. Now, of course, we could see a reversal later on in the day because the current sell-off is quite strong, and we are consistently seeing the Dow and the S&P for the last few days, especially this particular week, posting consecutive days of losses. So a retracement is due, and that retracement means the stocks can move to the upside. And which index that you can really look at, again, this is your Dow, this is your S&P 500 and the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ, in fact, it may not see that much of a bounce, but the Dow Jones has been under immense amount of a selling pressure. And the situation is also very, very similar for the DAX index as well. Now, if you don't know what is a DAX index, the DAX is a German stock index, which represents the top 30 German stocks for that particular derivative. Now, of course, today we also heard news out of Germany that the coronavirus cases have surged and that they've gone all the way to 300,000. Now, that is because we had more than 19,000 cases fairly recently. Now, the concern among investors is that perhaps Angela Merkel, who's a German chancellor, will no longer be able to hold on against this pressure that she is facing, that she should trigger a national lockdown, just like how France did. So that is what we are really looking at in terms of the stock market. Now, if we shift our focus and then we go beyond the stock market and then we look into commodities, of course, it is a very, very bad week. Let's just say that the crude and Brent prices, they have been under tremendous pressure during this particular week, and the prices are still trading below the $40 mark, in around $37 for the crude oil price. That's all for today, and I'll see you guys next time.